Hi dear all, good morning. Today I'm going to discuss about some important topic on STATA. Sometimes we need to replace variable, sometimes we need to find missing value, sometimes we need to transfer variable. So how to do? So let's discuss practical. First of all, we have to open the data set. Already in the video description, I have given a link. Please click on the link, then the example data will be downloaded. So I kept the data in my D drive. So please open and go to D drive, ABC, and there are many data set, and I will open my data. Already I have shared the link in the video description. Please download the data. Open this our data. So first, I will tap division. So we would like to see the code or value. So type num label comma add. If we use this command, then we can see value as well as label. For example, now if we tap, yes, 1 means Borishal, 2 means Chittagong, 4 means etc. So first replace. So just we'd like to replace Rangpur, or we like to merge Rangpur with Rajshahi. That means we will replace 6 to 7 or 7 to 6. So please type replace this value is equal to 6 if this value double equal to 7. Okay? Yes. So tap yes. Now the 7 value that merge with this value. Another value, for example, there are BR ID. Okay. For example, we would like to change this value. ID is 6 and age is 22. This value will be missing, for example. Then just type replace age dot means missing. If ID is equal to 6. After if, obviously we have to double equal. Please see the previous video, then it will be easy to understand. Okay, missing. If we yes, this value is missing. Okay, so another value that I would like to replace, for example, maternal height or maternal weight, BR weight. If we arrange ascending order, okay, for example, this data is the wrong data. For example, wrong data. So we have to replace this value by missing. How? For example, there's a cutoff point. If the value greater than 100, then this value will be missing, for example. So replace maternal weight is equal to missing if weight greater than 100. Okay. Press, sorry, we have to type missing is equal to missing, dot one missing if this value greater than 100. So press enter. Okay. Yes, this is now missing. If we give the condition, if maternal weight greater than 90, then missing. So if we type 90, yes, they are missing. So we can replace this value. Another value, for example, tab place of residence. Is there any missing value? How to find? Just type comma MIS missing. Enter, there is no missing value. Another variable, tab BMI cat miss. Yes, there are 136 value which are missing. Another variable, tab type of toilet miss. Yeah, they're also missing. So now I would like to replace this missing value by a value 2. For example, 2, 0, 1, 2. It will be 2, for example. So replace BMI cat = 2 if this variable is equal to missing. Enter. So now if we tap, yes, there is no missing value and this value treated at 2. So we can give the label of 2 lady. Just you can see the third video, then how to define the value label. 2 means, for example, overweight. Just example, comma, modify. Okay. So now tab, yes, this is overweight. 2 means overweight. Clear? So another issue, for example, just 2 variable BR asset index and type of toilet. Okay. Please see that this missing, this, there are many missing value. But now I'm planning to this variable also missing if this was missing. Okay. So just we have to replace this value by missing if this is missing. So replace weight index is equal to missing if. Before if, obviously we have to give single equal, and after if, obviously we have to give double equal. Missing. Then replace wealth index will be missing if type of toilet will be missing. This. Okay. So now press enter. Yes. This missing, this missing, this missing, this missing, this all are missing. another variable, for example, br 8, there are some missing value. So we can replace this missing value. For example, missing value means 100, 150. For example, we know that from the questionnaire or after quality control, just we can replace this value is equal to missing. Okay, sorry, 150. So replace maternal height 150 if this value is equal to missing. Then these missing values will be replaced by 150. So if press enter, yeah, all are okay. Another variable br maternal s. For example, that we can arrange ascending order. For example, 15 to 16, this value will be replaced by another value. For example, 17. These are, for example, wrongly typed. So we can replace this value by 17. How? Just replace s is equal to 17 if s less than 17. That means if less than 17, the value will be 17 replaced by. So that means this value will be 17. So now press enter. All are 17. Okay. Now, how to find missing value? Already we discussed that tab is equal to missing. Sorry, comma missing. Just if we tap M or miss same. So now we like to browse some variable. For example, BR, study ID, sex, and type of toilet, and division. If type of toilet is equal to missing, obviously double is equal to. If we press enter, yes, these are missing and corresponding this value. Sometimes we need to browse some value when other value is missing. Sometimes we type browse this value, this value, this value, this value. If this value is not missing mean this symbol equal missing, not missing. Enter, yes. So we can give this variable also. So press, yes, there is no missing value here. So using this procedure, we can replace anything, we can find the missing value, etc. Thank you very much for watching this video.